I'm on a deadhead, this little floribunda bush, got spent bloom on the top. Mother Nature will kind of tell you where to deadhead or prune. Here there's a black spot and it's died, so there's not a lot of growth in this area. But right under it there's a leaf that's got a little red beginning of another bloom and another cane. And so I'm going to prune about 1/4 inch above that. And then once this blooms, that new cane's going to go the same way the leaf's pointing, and it's going to go outside of the bush. When these finish out, I would typically take that whole cluster off, and here again there's a little spot under this leaf that's trying to start, and I'd cut 1/4 inch above that. If you see any rose hips, I'll just finger prune that. You want to get rid of the rose hips because it's creating seeds and the rose will go dormant. So cut or pinch those off. Always wear gloves because these things will bite you. Over here, if you want to take this little stuff off, you can, or it'll fall off. And it just kind of dresses your bush up and help promote new growth.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.